This 2025 Primetime LaCrosse 3510DB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Primetime is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, smoke detector, awning, auxiliary battery, skylight, external shower, slide out, leveling jacks, refrigerator, microwave, LP detector, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, front bath, front bedroom, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Primetime LaCrosse 3510DB is 9,753 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.